Peeps, just chilling in the tree. Just gotta make sure I don't make the wrong step. Probably should chop that, huh? Let me just see myself all twisted up at the bottom of the ladder, all broken up. So I think I'm gonna put a new railing on here. You know, it's kind of coming away just over time. There's a tree pushing against it. Yeah. So we'll free all of that up. Do a new, better railing. Because the floor is great. I mean, that's in great shape. So, and I have to fix that because the handle broke on it. So, still, we were working good while it did. It was just a little too thin on the handle. So I'm going to cut a new one. So that's what I'm going to do with that. You know, it looks different from up here, man. It's the barbecue we did. I look so much neater over there than I did before. It looked like such shit before. Got rope lighting up here. Tell you why it's great up here in the winter time, man. And I keep all the trees cut nice and far away. There's still plenty of room under there to cut them even bigger. This one looks like I could probably cut a little bit more on it. Yeah. Right, there's no beam there. No, yeah, I can cut all of that out. Alright, I guess I'll have to do that. I'm gonna see how it's bending the bar out. Okay, just got bigger. With the nest right there. Something's gonna pop its head out and attack me. Way up here. Oh, that would suck. I redid my basket and everything. I can't even use my shit. Yeah, you know what it is? I oiled it and it dried and it kind of stuck. I was coming up every day and I was turning it to make sure that didn't happen. And I just forgot a couple of days and then boom. Oh well. No biggie, it's easy to fix. Not like I use it a lot anyway.